it's Mona here at Craft Klatch. Today I have a special treat for you. I have a special guest. It is my granddaughter, Reagan, and she is going to do a project with me. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Reagan, can you tell everybody what we're going to make?
Well, I'm going to make a fish.
What are we going to do with the fish?
And when we're done with it, we're gonna one day we're gonna go to the lake house and put it up on the wall.
Okay. So Reagan wanted to design her own fish to hang up on the wall as a decoration. So that is what we're going to do today, right?
Yep.
Okay. This is a perfect way to have kids' art come to life. Reagan is going to draw a fish all by herself on this piece of
white paper.
And then I'm going to cut it out of a piece of wood. And then what are we going to do?
And then we are going to paint it so it looks pretty.
And then it'll be a piece of wall art.
Yep. I am going to draw a fish. Here's my fish, and now we're going to cut out on the paper and trace it onto wood. We're going to trace it out on wood.
I'm going to hold it and you just trace around it, okay?
Now I'm just going to cut it out.
fish and sanded the edges, and now Reagan's going to decorate it. And she wanted to try the unicorn spit. She saw it and she wanted to give it a try. So Reagan, why don't you tell them what you're going to do?
So I am going to do like dots on my fish, which I'm using this.
Now she's going to take a little water on a paintbrush and blend it a little bit. It's right before bed, and Reagan is in her pajamas. She's sleeping over tonight, and she is going to put the details on her fish now, and she's going to use paint markers, just like this. And she's going to put details on her fish now.
Yep. And I'm going to start off with the color pink. Here's what my fish looks like. Now I'm going to add the details. glitter to the tail and the fins.
I'm going to paint some Mod Podge on, and then Reagan is going to sprinkle glitter over the areas that she wants to have glittered. Hold on, let me get it on first.
Here it is. So far. Oma's gonna put resin on it. What is resin, Oma?
Resin is the shiny coating that goes on top of it that will make it nice and shiny and protect it.
We have our resin mixed.
And now I'm going to pour it over the fish.
Even on the glitter.
Mm-hmm. And I forgot to mention that we taped the back of the fish first so that if any resin got underneath it, we can take it off later. Now I'm going to take the lighter and pop the bubbles. And I'll do that a couple more times. And then the fish can just sit and cure for at least 12 hours. And then it'll be ready to be handled. Reagan's gone, but her fish is cured now, and I'm gonna just pop it off of here and remove the taped back. All I did was I put painter's tape along the back just to protect it. And this has been about 12 hours or so that it's been hardening, and I'm just gonna take my craft knife, run it along the edge, and the resin has not fully hardened yet, so this makes the removal really easy, and it's easy to cut through. And then it pulls off nice and easy. Here it is all cleaned up, and I had her sign it, and then she did her little signature there, and I put the year so we know when she did it. And here's the front all finished. There's Reagan's beautiful fish that she completely designed and decorated on her own. All I really did was do the resin and cut out the wood. The rest was all Reagan. It's a really great way to have your kids' artwork come to life. I had a great time doing this project with Reagan, and I think the fish turned out pretty great. This is a great project for you guys to get the kids, grandkids, or nieces and nephews involved with and get their creative juices flowing. I'll have all of the material and tools listed down in the description below, so you can make it too. Just remember, you're going to have downtime between the steps, and a lot of this went on during that downtime.
We hope you enjoyed the fish video, and we hope you give it a try.
And I will definitely see you next time. And thank you, Reagan, for joining me on this video.
You're welcome.
And I hope that you had fun. Did you?
Yes. Remember to subscribe.
No, say it louder. Remember to subscribe.
Remember to subscribe.
No, subscribe.
Remember to subscribe.
No, subscribe.
Remember to subscribe.
Okay, now say it.
I forgot.
Remember to subscribe.
Remember to subscribe.
Remember to subscribe.
Remember to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Remember to subscribe.
Yes! We will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys. Say bye.
Bye.